this is Harvey Jai from Mass Communication. I'm again with another comparison video. In this case, you can see I have two phones in front of me. I have iPhone 12, that is base version, and I have iPhone 14 Plus version. So what we're gonna do in this video, we're gonna do to check which phone has better display. So we're gonna open YouTube to check some 4K video, 8K video. Here we go. So I hit this one, Sky News directly live. We'll check the lighting option. Here we go. We put the light at the middle display, so it's more brighter now, and this one too at the middle. So what I see, iPhone 14 Plus looks more sharper in my eyes. So I zoom it, so you see more or less. So this is normal video. We'll do something, we'll open 4K video now. Let's see some nature video. This video are 8K. Let's see, 1, 2, 1, 3. Together at the same time. So two 8K video together, you can see. The quality in my point of view, they look similar. Here we go. They look quite similar, identical. I don't see a big difference between them, to be honest. Color magnificent. In my naked view, iPhone 14 look a little bit sharper, but this one neither is bad. The color and everything is almost the same. These are two 8K videos about New York. I hit them together. And I check the quality. I put maximum quality in 8K. Maximum quality, both of them are in 8K. To be honest, I like more iPhone 14 Plus because of the size of the phone, I think. So this is a comparison between iPhone 12 and iPhone 14 Plus display. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care till then. Bye.